How's it going, people? Welcome back to my food vlog. Today we are unboxing the CalmDo Air Fryer Oven. Now this has a large 25-litre capacity, giving you 1800 watts of power, and you have fully digital controls. Now this is not just an air fryer. With this unit you can grill, broil, air fry, dehydrate, toast, bake and roast. You can cook a massive range of foods from fries, chips, pizza, whole chicken, wings, steaks, fish, cheesecakes, biscuits, cookies, or even 6 slices of toast at the same time. Now you can also dehydrate fruit and vegetables.
So I've got it set up in my kitchen. I just want to quickly tell you what all the trays are. So 25-litre capacity, very nice sturdy door, heavy duty. This one is the air fryer basket. So if you want to air fry, you're going to be using this one, air fryer basket. And this tray here is your dehydrator tray, used for dehydrating fruits and vegetables. You get a standard oven rack, and you can slot these in quite easily. And you have different heights as well. And you're getting a baking pan. Now this can be used for cookies, cake, turkey, and it can also hold the drippings from the food or oil when air frying. So if you've got the air fryer at the top, you can have this right at the bottom, and it will catch all the oil and fat, so your air fryer is always clean. So quick look at all the controls. You've got your power on and off switch in the middle. After a while it will save power and just turn itself off if you don't use it. You've got these presets on this side, so you can make toast, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, proof. You've got French fries, chicken wings, steak, pizza, vegetables, or just keep warm. And over here you have your start and pause, preheat. You've got your light, temperature, time, and then you've got your air fry option. Now the unit is also fitted with a door sensor, so at any time during cooking, if you open the door, cooking will pause, and if you close the door, cooking will resume. So you'll notice that when you open it, you can't use any of the functions while the unit is open. And again, that's a safety precaution. So close it, and you can turn that light on simply by hitting the switch. Closer look inside the air fryer. At the bottom, you can see those 2 thin pipes. That's your convection heat. And you've got 4 on top, and also a fan which will spin at the same time. So when you're cooking something, the heat circulates and it goes right around the food. So you don't have to turn anything over, and you can make a number of great recipes with this. And I'll quickly show you the recipe book. You can pause it at any stage to look at the recipes yourself. So we've got chicken wings, sesame ginger sauce chicken wings. That looks nice. White pizza, roasted vegetables. We've got baked sweet potato, bacon wrapped asparagus, classic roast chicken, and we are going to do that next. So we've got kale chips, candied bacon, dried apple rings, French fries, sweet potato fries, roasted salmon, onion rings. I'm not going to read all of them out now. I'm just going to fly through, and of course you can pause at any stage if you want to check out a recipe or try something. And that's the last one. And then it goes on in different languages. You've got German, French, Spanish and Italian. So a recipe book with lots of great recipes, and it's in multi-languages. Have a quick look. You can see that most of the crumbs are now at the bottom tray. Look at that, people. Amazing. Let's go and empty this.
So there you have it, guys. That was my quick overview of the CalmDo 25-litre air fryer oven. This is basically an air fryer and convection oven in one. Lets you toast, roast, bake, dehydrate and much more. If you want a big air fryer so you can cook for at least 5 people at the same time, then this is the one to consider. I've already tried a few things out successfully, and I'll be sharing them in my upcoming videos. Food does certainly taste surprisingly good and healthier when cooked in this manner, and you can bet I'm gonna get quite adventurous with the recipes. So stay tuned, lots more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.